Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Excel with Era Creative. Assume that your HOD gave you a data of 500 students with their marks of main subjects. Along with that, he asked you to find out the marks of 150 students provided by him. It will be difficult to find out one by one. So there is an easy way by which we can find it out without wasting our time. So here we are going to use one of the most important function used in Excel, that is Xlookup. Let's see how it works. Select the cell which is next to the name, type equal to Xlookup. In the bracket, click on the student name, that is A3, comma, then select the student range, that is from A8 to A25. Then put a comma followed by selecting the range of marks. You will get the information in the row provided. Now you can see that only single name is reflected. I can't click on other names. Go to the data tab, click data validation. When you click on data validation, you will see settings. In that, you need to select list. Then click on the source. Here the source will be the student's name. So select the range of student's name and then click on OK. Now you can easily filter out the names from it. You might be having a doubt how this data is highlighted. Yes, we can highlight the active cell. First, you highlight the A3 cell by giving any color. Here I am highlighting with yellow color. Next, you will be selecting the range from A3 to F25. Go to the conditional formatting. Click on New Rule. Select the last option. There you need to put a formula. Type equal to and then select the first name. You will get the formula, but you need to remove the dollar sign from the middle. Then equal to, click on A3 and then go to the format option. From there you can select the highlighted color and then click on OK. Again you click on OK. Now you can observe that in whichever names I am clicking, automatically these names are highlighted. So this makes your work more easily. You can easily find the names and marks of those 150 students which your HOD asked you to provide it. I hope you understood. Do share your feedback by commenting below. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.